Oh shit. Okay, so this is the boss. Wow. Now what? Okay, I'm falling. There's this thing with a big long tongue.
Look at the body's hanging.
I know. I don't know what to do. They're just hanging there, chilling out. What am I supposed to do? What the fuck?
You can't keep throwing them at me.
Yeah, I know he's gonna just keep throwing them at me. Well, if you get his pussy ass down here.
Chop those bodies.
There's no instructional button to tell me what to do.
We're gonna come down the ground again.
Alright, now what? This is stupid. He's just playing the drums over and over again. Alright, I can chop this asshole. Run over here. What's with the camera angle? Alright, now what? Now what? Now, fuck. Something's laying on me. This camera angle is assholes. Alright, drop that guy. Drop him. He's bleeding out of his knees. Now what? I guess just sit here like an asshole. Why did they blow up? How is that gonna help me? So I just have to jump around here like an asshole? I wish there was a way to climb up. Can I just climb onto that tongue? Is that impossible? I must be an idiot because I can't figure out the point of this freaking boss level. Yeah, just play those drums some more. And those just blow up. And then they go up into the... Oh! What am I supposed to do? Seriously, they're just like hanging up there. And every time they come down to the ground, they fucking blow up and push me backwards, so I can't get the rest of them. I see the chainsaw thing up there. Oh! Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Oh my god! Holy shit! Chainsaw blaster, yeah. Holy fuck. Go that one over there. Shit! Oh, I got him. I got him!
Lightning is fucked up.
Yeah. Okay, now what? Can I shoot him? I'm gonna run out of bullets.
Oh, the drums. What is he auditioning for Stomp 2 or something?
Okay, I'm missing. Totally missing. Wasting my ammo. Oh, okay. Shit. Shit. I'm terrible at this game. Oh! Fuck! Chainsaw Raper.
Hit him with the blaster from far away.
Yeah, I'm trying. I don't know what I'm shooting, but I'm trying. I'm gonna run out of fucking bullets. Am I getting him? I got him! Now what?
Something with your chainsaw gun?
Yeah, it's a chainsaw gun. I'm shooting him. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
You gotta go up to it. You gotta go up to it.
Oh, there he is. Got him. Die, asshole. Fucking die.
I want to refill your health.
Shit. Oh, wait. No, that's select button again. Fuck! Get back. Go back. Give her the D. Alright, that's a little bit. Shit. Swing that chain. Holy fuck. So this is the guy that was shooting the friggin' lightning the whole time. Die. Oh, yeah, eat my chainsaw. Yeah. Or Death Clock. He looks like Nathan Explosion mixed with Thor, mixed with raping my asshole dry. Holy shit. Alright, now what?
Is he auditioning for Stomp 2 or something?
I don't have any more bullets, you freaking bimbo. This should be fun. Yeah, if I only had more bullets. Great. I was supposed to shoot them with my chainsaw blaster and I don't have any bullets. Now what? Do I just back up and find some more bullets back here? I guess I did. Just shoot him in the face. One more. Yeah. Alright. Shit. Get your pussy ass down here. Where is he? Where'd he go? Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, his head came off. head came right fucking off. What am I doing? Where is he? Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Turn around! Yeah, shoot him in his face. Oh fuck, I ran out of bullets. Go, run. I guess I could punch him.
Yeah, you can.
Shit, run away.
There's some glasses there, you go.
Come on. Yeah, no, turn around. Wow, he's doing too much. Just way too much. Come on, shoot. Okay, now punch him. Stab his fucking ass. Punch him. Oh, yeah. Okay, run away. Oh, get some blaster shots. No, jump. Oh my god. How the fuck? I can't believe I avoided all that. How the fuck did I avoid all that? There's just so much of it. Oh shit. Jump. Oh god.
Oh shit. Pinball machine.
Got him on. Shit, go, punch him and kick him and stab his fucking head. Look at his hair. Looks like he just woke up from I guess a good dream. Like the bad guys have good dreams and are scared of them. Shit. Now his head's a pinball machine. Oh, I got some blaster bullets. Fuck you, shooting your big ugly mug. Yeah, oh my god. Go. I'm trying. She jumps slower than a fucking turtle. Oh god. Fuck me.
Oh my god, he's gonna do it again.
I know, I can't move. Oh my god. What the fuck? Stop jizz blasting me with your shit. Wow. Fuck me. Where is he? He's behind me. It's like a fucking grudge. Yep. Okay, to the left, to sort of down, cutting his fucking head in half. Oh, is he dead? Viking metal rules? Well, I guess it kind of does. Amon Amarth is pretty good. Is he dead? Did I actually win? I won! Look at that! Oh my god, I give him a Chelsea fucking grin. Wow.
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Please tell me that's it. Tell me I don't have to fight 2 parts of his mouth. And here comes a bear. Oh, yeah. Spread those legs. Wow. Animal cruelty. Right there. Oh, there's a bunch of blue jizz flying everywhere.
Nope.
And there's this big stupid head.
Looking.
Oh shit, what's going on now? Oh, fuck. Lollipops.
No, it's fine.
The mother-in-law just called up to see if everything was okay because I was rage quitting so hard. Well, that's it, folks.
No.
That's the fucking Viking boss on
Sleeping.
Lollipop Chainsaw. Thanks for watching.
Okay.
Until next time, holy shit.